Welcome to the Digestive System Project, made by two professionals. The direct definition of digestion is the mechanical and chemical breakdown of foods and the absorption of the resulting nutrients by cells. The basic goal of the digestive system is to break down food into energy and basic nutrients to supply the body with nutrients as well as get rid of waste. The digestive system consists of the alimentary canal. This canal extends from the mouth to the anus. This canal includes the mouth, the pharynx, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum, and the anus, with the accessory organs including the salivary glands, the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. The digestive system is basically just a tube that's open on both ends, and the surface area is about 186 square meters. The small intestine is about 22 feet long on its own, with the large intestine being about 5 feet long. Well, why don't we go through all these organs in order from top to bottom? First, we have the salivary glands, which contain enzymes that initiate the breakdown of carbohydrates. As humans, we produce up to 3 pints of saliva per day. Next, we have the mouth, which provides a mechanical breakdown of food and also begins chemical digestion of carbohydrates. Next, we have the pharynx, which connects the mouth and the esophagus. The esophagus pushes food from the mouth down to the stomach, which takes about 7 seconds. The stomach secretes acid and enzymes, which when mixed with food begins enzymatic digestion of proteins. An adult stomach is able to hold approximately 1.5 liters of different substances. Because of this, an average male will eat about 50 tons of food throughout his entire lifetime, assuming that he weighs 150 pounds. There's also the liver, which produces bile that's used to emulsify fats. The gallbladder stores bile and introduces it to the small intestine. The pancreas produces and secretes pancreatic juice, which contains digestive enzymes and bicarbonate ions, which it introduces to the small intestine. The small intestine mixes food with bile and pancreatic juices. This is the final enzymatic breakdown of food molecules in the main site for nutrient absorption. Food can be held in the small intestine for up to 4 hours. By the time substances have left the small intestine, about 90% of the nutrients have been removed from it. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes. It also forms feces. As soon as a child is born, bacteria already starts to form in its digestive tract. Next, we reach the rectum, which regulates the elimination of feces. Finally, we reach the anus, which I think we all know what the anus does. New research facts, Recent research suggests that there's a correlation between gallstones and smoking. It also has been shown that smoking has a correlation to the creation of ulcers. For those who don't know what an ulcer is, imagine a scab in your stomach that can't be healed because someone's constantly pouring battery acid over it. Certain individuals have more digestive microbes in their digestive tracts, which are more prone to extracting calories and substances than other microbes in other people. When transferring these digestive microbes into lean animals, they started to gain weight rapidly. There seems to be a clear correlation between these microbes and weight gain. This information could be used to cure obesity as an epidemic. Researchers found that an imbalance of digestive flora, or microorganisms, caused malfunction in host gene signaling that suppressed and altered immunity. This imbalance causes inflammatory skin conditions such as dermatitis, eczema, and psoriasis. Recent research suggests that the health of your digestive system, mainly the esophagus, stomach, and small intestines, can also affect your mood and well-being. A study at UC Stanford showed that simply irritating the gut of a newborn rat resulted in depression and anxiety-like behavior, and a greater production of stress hormones as compared to the rats in the control group. Research also suggests that stress not only sends the human immune system into overdrive, but also can wreak havoc on the trillions of bacteria that work and thrive inside your digestive system. This could be important because the bacteria plays a significant role in triggering the immune system to stay active. Because of this lack of bacteria, we are weakened against fighting infections.